for tuning into another video. It's not going to be a very good one, I'm afraid. I'm here filming for D1 today, and I got a message from Ben, and it's not good news, I'm afraid, for the FC. There's been lots of little things that have added up to the end result. The signs have always been there, and we've just been doing everything we can to prove that it's not the case. So unfortunately, the FC needs a rebuild. So I'm here filming for Kurt Blackie Drift. And Kurt's got a 4-door R32. It's quite a simple setup, but it works really well. His last run he clipped a cone or hit the dirt or something and smashed the front up, so he's doing a pretty good job stitching this back together. Drifting's not usually my thing to film, but I got asked by Kurt Blackie if I wouldn't mind filming for him. So I'm here. Track's local to home, so it's not much of a mission at all. And of course it means I can get in the centre of the track and see things up close and personal. So there are a few FCs here, but they're all been V8 converted, of course. There's only one rotary car here, and I'll go find it. One of these cars is rotary powered, and they're both Nissan. There's another FC. Again, not rotary. Pretty tidy for a drift car though. Danny learning to fly his drone for the first time. Nothing like D1 to learn. Go! Whee! Don't crash! So the TPS got fixed in the end. Ben re-crimped the wires and cleaned out the plugs, and that came right. But while he was doing that, he had a look at the state of the tune and figured it was all over the place and needed to be retuned. So that was the plan until we started looking at the coolant system for me. So yeah, the diagnosis is suspected water seal at the very least. The water system, or the coolant system, gets pressurized super quick, and it has not started very well for a wee while now, so it looks like a rebuild is on the cards. So I'm just with Ben now talking through the options and trying to figure out what we're going to do. Obviously it starts and drives at the moment, but yeah, it might be a good idea to stop doing that and just rip it out now and keep the damage to a minimal. The question is Bridgeport, semi-PP, extend port. Need to figure that out too, because of course that has to be done while it's out. And we'll see what we can do about that little turbo too. But the new tyres are on, so there's no flat spots on these ones. Ben noticed that one of the mounts, or the bushes in the back where the diff is was completely shot, so he's replaced that. And it's actually sitting better since he's done that. Hasn't actually done the wheel alignment yet, but I think this wheel's tucked in a little bit more as a result of the bushing. So that's pretty cool. So she's looking really nice. It's a shame she doesn't drive very nice. Oh yeah, and when it's cold there's a very noticeable sweet smell of coolant coming out the exhaust, coming out the back there. That goes away after it warms up. So yeah, it's a bit of stink news, unfortunately. It's definitely not going to be ready for Jamboree. So I just need to figure out what we're going to do from here.
So one of these seals would have gone somewhere.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And it'll just be leaking in. This blade's fucked, it's got... Oh, it's not too bad, but where the porking's done it's fucking chipped right away.
It always smells like coolant, because there was always water leaks as well. Like I was like, maybe another water leak,
but it was like quite steamy
out the back. Yeah.
I'm going to get him to explain what a walking taco is like.
What's that? Yeah. Oh yeah, especially when it's cold. Yeah, that's real hard, eh?
Play 2 tracks, we'll be back with a barbecue god.
Oh, that gasket there.
And then you got that one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I didn't touch that one.
But when you undo them, it loosens it.
Oh, right.
Sitting around. But
Oh, yeah. So what do you reckon? So do you reckon it was leaking from back there as well?
Oh, it could have, was either leaking from there and coming down.
Yeah.
It might have been leaking because that one wasn't fully home.
So it's not the end of the world, it's not the worst news, it's not like it's a complete engine rebuild or anything like that. So water seals on their own aren't too bad, but I guess you'd be silly not to replace apex seals while it's out and open. So we'll do that, and whatever other porting we end up doing. So next steps from here will be to pull the engine out of the car obviously, open it up, see what the damage is and what we're dealing with specifically, and then take it from there. So as always, the FD was nice and reliable for the weekend. Held up well, had about 4 different drivers over the course of those 3 days and didn't miss a beat. So I'm not quite sure what the next video is going to be about. I do have some stuff I need to do to the FD, so it could be that. It's due for an oil change and all the rest. Obviously the engine needs to come out of the FC, so I could crack over and film that, just a matter of timing. And of course I'm still overdue to pull the covers off this and do a bit of a deep dive with you, so keep an eye out on the channel, and needless to say it'll be rotary related. Cheers guys.